Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn what is recursion. So the definition of recursion is when a function calls itself until a specified condition is met. You can also call it specified condition or base condition. Okay. So we will understand by by example. First I will write the for loop. Then we will use recursion. Here we will write a factorial function. Function fact will give a parameter here. Next, I will create one variable to 1. Then I will use for loop I equal to 0. I is less than equal to 1 and I plus plus. Result equal to result into I. Here, after the loop, we will return this result. Now we will call this function using console.log refact fact 5. Okay, let's see the output. Instead of console.log, can we print the statement which was in. So we have to write it here 1n. Check what this. Console.log 5. So 1 0 multiplied 7. Yes. We are getting 0 answer due to we have written here the 0. So it's multiplying all the element by 0 first. We get the factorial of 5. So how it's happening? 5 into 4, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So if you can see in calculator, this is 5 into 4 is 20. Then into 3, then into 2, into 1. So the answer will be 120. So now solve this function using recursion. function rect fact n. First, we will write the base condition. We will return 1 if it reach the condition. Then in else return n into refact refact n minus 1. Here you can see we are calling the function. So it will iterate one by one until it reach the base condition here. Let's see the output. Console.log refact 5. Let's see the output. We got 120. How this formula is working? So n is 5, okay, into refact 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, sorry, 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 24. It's in bracket, so try to write in bracket. Three minus one, 2. 5 2s are 10. Like this way, it will iterate till 1. Here it will call the function until it met the base condition. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.